In this video, I'm going to show you how to get drill for fast mining in Once Human. Now, this is very easy actually. All you have to do is press I to open up your inventory, click Memetics and Cradle, and then go inside Memetics yet again. Now in here, remain at Infrastructure, and then you want to scroll down until you find this thing where it says Chainsaw. Now you have to unlock everything down till Chainsaw, and then Electric Drills. Now once you elect this electric drills, once you select it and unlock it, you'll be able to see that you can unlock the electric rock drill. Now once you do this, as you can see if I hover over this, it says how to get, craft an intermediate / advanced supplies workbench. Now in order for you to do this, what you have to do is go and create a intermediate or advanced supplies workbench and go up to it and press F. In here, you then look for the drill. So where is it? Just a second, over here. There we go, electric rock drill. As you can see, I have all the materials except the storage battery. Now I can craft the storage battery up here. It costs this that you can see on the screen right now. And once you do this, you can simply create this electric drill. Now, once you've made yourself an electric drill, you can then, as you can see, mount it inside your inventory, and it will be your default mining tool for mining different things. So let's just walk up to this rock over here. As you can see, this is very fast and efficient and gives you a whole bunch of materials. It also gives you a lot of gold, silver, and stuff like that. And you can also get Digby Boys by mining silver with it, okay? So be cautious of that because it's very quick and it gives you Digby Boys as well. You can get them anyways, but I've found to actually get more of them while using the drill. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.